Hey everyone, welcome back to ITeePK. Today I am going to walk you through some brand new Windows 11 25H2 features that Microsoft has started rolling out in the dev and beta channels. We will also look at the new File Explorer context menu, the File Explorer preload improvements, and the brand new point-in-time restore feature. I will also show you how to enable all of these manually if they haven't rolled out to your device yet. If you enjoy discovering new Windows features and hidden settings, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ITeePK so you never miss future updates. To enable these features, your system needs to be running at least build 26/2020 of Windows 11 25H2. I'm already on this build on my laptop, so I will show you how everything works step by step. To turn on these hidden features, we will use a tool called ViveTool. This utility lets you manually enable experimental upcoming Windows features that Microsoft hasn't fully released yet. So just go ahead and download the latest ViveTool zip file from the link I have provided in the video description. Once downloaded, open up the zip file into your file explorer and then extract all. Choose a clean folder where you want ViveTool to stay permanently. I've created a folder in my C drive, but you can choose any location. Once extracted, just copy the full folder path. We will need it when running the commands. So that's it. ViveTool is ready to use. Now let's go ahead and open up command prompt. Make sure to open command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt, type cd space and paste the path we have copied. Now press enter. Now we are at exact location where we have the Vive tool. Run this first command to enable redesign context menu. After running it, you should see a message saying successfully set new feature configurations. Now let's go ahead and run the second command to enable File Explorer preload feature. Again, you should get the same success message. Finally, we will use the third command that includes toID. After running all the commands, just close your CMD and restart your PC so that changes could take effect. After restarting your PC, open up the File Explorer and right-click on any file. You will notice the new compact context menu, which is more better, cleaner, and more faster than before. Microsoft has redesigned the layout to make it faster and easier to use. In the new menu, you will still see important options like add to favorites, ask Copilot, copy as path, set as background, compress, share, and other common actions. All of these options are now organized in much more lightweight style, so the menu opens instantly and feels more responsive. Microsoft is currently testing additional UI changes, so some insider users may see extra sections in this menu while others won't. In this build, the compact layout is active, but the Manage File section is not available on my device, which is normal because the rollout is gradual. Another change, you will notice that the File Explorer is now preloads in the background for faster launch times. This means Explorer opens more quickly, especially the first time booting. If you want to confirm or disable this behavior, just go ahead and click on three dots in the File Explorer, go to Options, open the View tab, and you will see the option Enable Preloading for faster launch time. This feature is enabled by default, but you can turn it off anytime. Next, let's check out the point-in-time restore feature. Just go to your computer settings, then go to System and scroll down and click the recovery option. You will now see the section called point-in-time restore. This is basically a modern version of old system restore but with more control inside it. You can turn restore point on or off, choose how frequently restore points are created, set how long restore points should be kept, control the storage space used for restore point, and whenever you need to restore your system, you can do it from the Windows recovery environment using the new point-in-time options. These updates makes Windows 11 feel more optimized and polished. The new context menu looks cleaner, File Explorer opens faster, and improved restore feature give you more control over the backups. All the useful links are given in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to ITeePK for more Windows updates and tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.